Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and natural language processing. AI systems can be trained on large datasets to identify patterns and make predictions based on that data, allowing them to improve their performance over time. Examples of AI include voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, which can understand and respond to voice commands, self-driving cars, which use AI to navigate roads and avoid obstacles, and recommendation systems used by online retailers and streaming services to suggest products and content based on a user's browsing and viewing history. AI works by using algorithms to analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions based on that data. This involves training the AI system on large datasets, providing it with feedback on its performance, and adjusting its algorithms and parameters to improve its accuracy. The most commonly used AI techniques are machine learning, which involves training algorithms on large datasets to identify patterns and make predictions, and deep learning, which uses neural networks to simulate the function of the human brain and analyze complex data, such as images and natural language. In summary, artificial intelligence involves the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI systems use algorithms to analyze data, identify patterns, and make predictions based on that data, and they can be trained to improve their performance over time. AI is used in a wide range of applications, from voice assistants to self-driving cars, and is poised to transform many industries in the coming years.